కోర్స్ ఒక్కసారి కన్ను కొడితే ఆవిడ వైరల్ అయిపోయారు. ఇప్పుడు సుల్తానా అంటూ వైరల్ అనమాట. ఎవ్రీవేర్ యూ ఓన్లీ చాగయ్యే ఆప్. సో ప్లీజ్ గో హెడ్.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. చాలా టైం తర్వాత హైదరాబాద్కి వచ్చాను. చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ టు సే యాక్చువల్లీ బికాజ్ ఐ వాజ్ not expecting all of this to happen, and for the past couple of days it's my phone has been blowing up, and again like people have been texting me saying it's like all over 2018 again, you're viral again. So I was definitely not expecting that to happen. I was just excited to be part of such a wonderful film and to be working with Ajit sir for the first time in my life and to be sharing screen with him. That was my only excitement for the project and for myself. Thank you Adik for giving me this opportunity. எனக்கு இப்போது ஞாபகம் இருக்குது, நீங்கள் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் லுக் டெஸ்ட்க்கு நீங்கள் என்கிட்ட சொன்னீங்க ஏதாவது ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுமான்னு கேட்டப்போ நீங்கள் சொன்னீங்க ஒன்றுமே வேணாம், ஜாலியாக வாங்க, வெக்கேஷன் மாதிரி ஸ்பெயினுக்கு போய் வில் ஆல் ஹாவ் ஃபன். அண்ட் தட்ஸ் எக்ஸாக்ட்லி ஹவ் ஐ ஃபெல்ட் ஆன் யுவர் செட். You made it all so easy, and thank you for having faith in me and making me do such a beautiful song. And I know it must have been such a pressure on you because it's a classic retro song that Simran ma'am has done. So for you to have faith in me and believe that I would be able to do justice to that, I'm so grateful to you for that. And my three movie makers, thank you for this opportunity. Dinesh sir, thank you for being available for whatever reasons always. And Abhinan sir, why did you say the heroine doesn't like you in this film? That's not true. We all love you. Thank you for making me and everybody and Ajit sir look like an emperor in the film. Thank you so much. Harish, thank you. Bala's not here. Arun's not here. A lot of them are not here, but I don't know if I'm missing anybody out. GV sir, this is our second film together. We did Neek and now GBU. I'm hoping for a next hat-trick in Tamil. Karthikeya, you're such a sweetheart. I was like, the first time I got to know that we're being paired up together, I was like, he's such a small boy. Am I going to look like an auntie in front of him? But everybody was like, no, it's fine. You look cool. Congratulations, Empuran, GBU. I'm sure you have a long way to go, and I'm so proud of you. Arjun is not here. Thank you, Arjun, for being an amazing co-star. His dedication, he had a lot of health issues and, you know, circumstantial issues. Even then, he was so dedicated and passionate. He was too good on set. Thank you, Arjun, for being amazing. Trisha ma'am, you were lovely. We had a couple of days of shoot together, and it was such fun sharing screen space with her and otherwise also. Last but not the least, Ajit sir. I came in with like a clean slate, and now I've become a loyal, hardcore Ajit sir fan after the film. So thank you sir, thank you for being so sweet and gentle. No wonder you are who you are today, because you're so grounded and so supportive and considerate about everybody on set. I think we all have a lot to learn from him, and like I said before, selfishly hoping to work with Ajit sir again and again. That's pretty much it. Thank you everybody for being here and making this movie a success.
సో దట్స్ నాట్ ఎనఫ్ ప్రియా, యాక్చువల్లీ యూ ఆర్ హియర్. అండ్ అఫ్ కోర్స్ ప్రియా అంటేనే వైరల్ అవ్వాలి కంటెంట్, అండ్ వీ నీడ్ దట్ వైరల్ కంటెంట్ ఆన్ ది స్టేజ్ యాజ్ వెల్. సో
I think
కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ ట్రై దట్ స్టెప్, సుల్తానా, వన్స్ అగైన్?
Oh my god.
ఫర్ తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్, వాళ్ళు ఎంత లవ్ చేస్తారో మీకు తెలుసు మిమ్మల్ని. అండ్ వన్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ప్రకాష్ ఆన్ స్టేజ్ అండ్ ద అదర్ మోస్ట్ టాలెంటెడ్ ప్రకాష్ హియర్. దట్ ఆ మ్యూజిక్లో ఆవిడ స్టెప్ విత్ యువర్ పర్మిషన్స్ మేము ప్లే చేయాలా? మీరు ఏమైనా ఒకసారి ఒక లైన్ ఏమన్నా మీరు అలా పాడి మ్యూజిక్లోనే చేయనా? మ్యూజిక్లో బీట్ ఉంది, ఫస్ట్ నుంచి పాట విందామా? ఓకే, ప్లే ద సాంగ్, ఐ హెల్ప్ యూ టు హోల్డ్ దిస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ప్లే ద సాంగ్.